Hello guys, welcome to SR Trader. I have just selected some intraday stocks for tomorrow which can give some potential move either side. Go to 15 minutes time frame and see what the stock is doing. Let's just draw some trend lines. It is exactly at support. We can't buy exact at support. We should wait for price action to behave here. I think so. Tomorrow we can short it if it crosses this trend line. Just enter near retest and short it. It can be a simple trade if this trend line is broken downside. Just wait for a retracement and just short it, and keep your stop loss as this high because it is a recent high which can act as resistance, and it is difficult to take it out since we can find it here also some potential areas from where market fell. These are the areas, and we can short it tomorrow. It could be a very easy trade. Next I'll go with SBI. I'll just analysis from higher time frame. I'll go with analysis from higher time frame. After a impulse move, it just got corrected and breached this area and went up. So how can we trade it on lower time frame? Lower time frame could be, I can see some flag and pole pattern. It would be a simple trade if it crosses this high. We can buy an initiate call. It's a flag and pole. This is a flag and that's a pole. How can we trade this tomorrow? If it break upside, I'll just wait for a retracement and just buy it. My stop loss would be below the breakout candle. Below the breakout candle, that low would be my stop loss. It's a simple trade. We can trade it. What is going in mind tree? I'll go on a higher time frame. Price is at a support of trend line. I'll just draw a trend line here. See, I told in Bharat Forge, don't buy at a support price. Wait for what the pattern is doing. Let's see what pattern it's making there. I can see some pennant pattern. Just erase this. This is a pattern which we can trade it tomorrow. If I think so, it's not easy to break down because it's an uptrend, which is this trend can't be broken that easily. So it may break, but it's not possible. It may be not possible tomorrow. I'll just go to 15-minute time frame. How can we trade here? See, if tomorrow market opens in this area, just don't buy immediately or don't sell immediately. Just wait for price to break up or break down. On retest, you can enter long. It's a simple pattern of pennant. We can trade it from intraday tomorrow. That's it guys, done with the day.